Again, thank you everyone for coming on to our webinar, the 5 manufacturing trends of 2021. So we'll get going on this. So we're going to be focusing on supply chain production / operations. This is what we've noticed in the past 6 months, where these are the departments that we've focused a lot on, that we've been helping out in the past 6 months, and what we foresee are going to continue to we're going to be continuing helping on and partnering with in the near future. So let's start off. I'm going to start off with the sales model. And why the sales model? Yes, I'm in sales. My name is Roberto Nacarado. I am the sales and marketing manager, and some of my colleagues here as well are in sales. But most of you out there that are joining us are doing business with a person from the sales representative side. So and the trend is changing, or the model is changing. And let me explain. And it's important that I started off with this. If we rewind back about 20 years ago, the sales rep was there mostly to inform on product, very product driven. And customers were dependent on the sales rep to provide information for that specific product, which was fine. The power of the internet was not what it is today. If you fast forward a couple of years, the model evolved and sales rep became a solutions provider, which again, their goal was to improve on business results that were defined by the customer. So again, we're experts on the products, but more driven on the business results that the customers were asking them to provide. If you fast forward now, where it's going is that sales representative has now will become a trusted advisor. And why a trusted advisor? The challenge here, or what the trusted advisor is here to do, is to challenge you on issues that they have come across, share insights, and look for your blind spots. That's the objective of the trusted advisor moving forward. So that's the model that we're hoping to see many companies kind of go towards, and kind of stay away from the sales rep side of things.